Hey YouTube fam, as you can see I have a box here and I wanted to unbox it with you. All I did was just remove the tape. It is not a bag, so I've been really good. So I'm still on bag ban island and I'm still in bag piece heaven. So, so here we go. As you can see, it's from Coach. And all I did was call customer service just to see if they had this bag charm. I remember when I checked earlier this year, they said they did have it, and sometime in the warehouse when you call at a certain time, they say, you know, they don't have any available, or it's sold out, they can't find any in any stores, and then you call back a month later or something, or 2 months later, and they have some back in stock. Because what I think what happens is, like in different, you know, markets and countries, after a certain season, if it didn't sell there, I think they ship them to a warehouse where they feel like it can be sold. So this, you know, a few months ago or early in the year, they may not have had this charm, but maybe from another market, they shipped it to the store. So when I called last week, she said they only had one. So I was so excited, and then I got it for 50% off. So with the deal that they're having. So hopefully all my Coach addicts, I know you guys are taking advantage. Well, today's the last day for in-store 20% off the sell item. So there's already a 50%, up to 50% off on some of their handbags, goods, and charms and so forth. But there's also, you can get an additional 20% off the sale in store. You have to go in store though. So it's been very hard to resist that. I put so many things in my cart, and I like go, you know, take it out my cart, put it in my cart, then I go and do something else, then I went to the gym, then I come back and take it out my cart. So yeah, I'm like been tempted over the weekend with that extra 20%, and I have to remind myself, Melissa, it's okay. So anyway, let's open this thing instead of me running my mouth. So this is what I got. Isn't it cute? They packed it. She said, "Oh, would you like a gift package?" I'm like, sure. And, you know, thank you for shopping. Can you see it? No, let's do that. Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with quality and attention to detail. Coach has been known for since 1941. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you at such and such customer care at coach.com or 1-888-262-6224. Okay, so this is the first time I've ever gotten a card in a package. Well, I'm about to say I don't often purchase from them. This is a cute box, and I guess in here it comes with the gift, you know, my receipts in there, and then they put some more package to keep it from moving around. So they did a really good job on this. So let's untie the bow. Very nice. Oh, let's open this one. I thought it was like this, but it seems like it's just a flap like that. All right, more packaging with the Coach and Carriage tape. Okay. I'm gonna have to turn it around, guys, so I can see. There we go. All right. So it's the lighting here is crazy, but here we go. Kind of dirty on the back. Let me see if I put this down, if it helps, so you guys can see the reflection from my computer. There we go, that's better. See, it's dirty on the back, but I guess that's what happened when something's the last thing. I don't know, this dust bag been through some trials. So let's see what's going on in here. I'm so excited. Look at that, y'all. Oh, it's both on both sides detailing. I'm flipping it around to see if I can get it, but it's on both sides detailing. So it's Rexy, you know, I'm pulling the Carriage Coach. And it's the same detailing on this side. All right, so my phone cut off. It didn't even tell me it was gonna cut off, but here it is. This is the tag it came with, and this is the style number if you want to check it out. Call Coach Customer Service. from time to time and see if they restock it. And its style number is 24011. And it's the Rexy Carriage bag charm. Okay, it was about $100, but with the sale, they honored the in-store sale. They gave me 50% off, so I paid like $47 for it. Yes, and then I think with shipping, it came out to like 51. So I bought it for this Holy Grail bag, my Holy Grail bag, the 75th anniversary limited edition Rogue 36. It's a size 36, whiplash rivets. Rogue. Oh, whew. I'm gonna carry this weekend to bring in the new year. So I thought this was perfect. So let's see how it's looking. I'm gonna go to the gym after I log off work. So and back up a little bit. There we go. And then if I get tired, I just want to carry it like this. I usually go, just the handles, I just close on top like that and keep it moving. This is a big bag. It is a big bag and I love it. This is the only size 36 I have in the bag charm. All right, guys, have a wonderful Monday. Happy holidays, and talk to you guys later. I think in the first of the year, I'll be doing a handbag collection 2019 because I did a 2018, so we can compare. All right, bye.